V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair, Wax has been making some bold claims about its ability to remove scratches and restore your car's paint to its original shine. But does it really work, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's start with what the product promises. The V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair, Wax is advertised as a professional-grade solution to remove fine scratches and imperfections from your car's paint. It claims to use advanced coating technology to provide a super hydrophobic layer, making your car's exterior more durable. Additionally, the company states that it works on any colour vehicle, provided there is no protective coating like a ceramic or paint protection film. It's also marketed as an easy-to-use solution, where you simply apply the wax to the affected area and wipe away the scratches. Sounds impressive, right? But let's take a step back and apply some common sense. Can a simple wax really remove big scratches and restore damaged paint without professional intervention? That's where the first red flags start to appear. One of the biggest concerns is the product's promotional material. The before and after pictures look highly suspicious, and in some cases, they appear to be taken from other social media pages rather than showing genuine results from this product. If a company can't provide authentic proof of its effectiveness, that's a warning sign right away. Now, let's move on to customer feedback. A quick look at Amazon reviews paints a very different picture than the product's claims. Out of 21 reviews, it has a disappointing 1.7 star rating out of 5. That's already a major red flag. One customer shared that they were disappointed because the wax felt more like a basic car polish rather than an actual scratch remover. They said it did nothing to fix their car's scratches and felt like a waste of money. Another user tested it on their truck, hoping for some improvement, but instead of reducing scratches, it made things worse by adding more visible marks. Understandably, that customer was extremely frustrated. Another person stated that the product was no better than a standard wax you could buy from Walmart at a fraction of the cost. Multiple customers even mentioned returning the product because it didn't even clean their headlights. After analysing all this, it's clear that V-Vaxy does not live up to its hype. While it might function as a basic wax, it doesn't deliver the magical scratch removal results it promises. With its misleading marketing, questionable promotional images, and overwhelmingly negative reviews, this is one product you're better off skipping. If you're looking for a reliable scratch remover, consider going for a reputable brand with proven results. Investing in a high-quality product or even a professional repair service will be far more effective than wasting money on something that simply doesn't work.